We're a national nonprofit that helps take care of retired police canines and military working dogs with medical care, food, death benefit assistance, adoption, rehabilitation, and rehoming. We also take care of their first responders and their military veterans. These veterans have served their country and risked their lives just like their four-legged partners, and we want to make sure that they're taken care of for life. We are located here in Tennessee, and we are proud to sponsor +3 Golf and the VFW.
We are here at Riverside Golf Links, and we've got night golf. It's our first ever. Come on out and play. We're going to be having a lot of these events, maybe once a month. It's going to be fun. We have LED lights everywhere and glow-in-the-dark balls. It's going to be a lot of fun, and it's a good fundraiser for our foundation.
So I appreciate you coming out. There's going to be a lot of developments on how I'm going to bring this up. I want to do more of family-oriented games in the future events. So this is something I want to kind of build. And I'm really happy you guys are all here because you guys will be the core group that helped me get it started.
Some great partners out here. We got Project K9 Hero. We got Stephen Cochran playing some music. We got a food truck out here. We're just having a great time. It's a fundraiser for the VFW to help us support things like our perpetual scholarship programs for the Voice of Democracy, Patriots Pen, what we do with the Scouts, the community help that we do out in, to helping veterans who lose their job and can't pay their bills or just need some help in general. So if you're in the area, you want to come out, you want to play some night golf, there's still time to sign up. And of course, come out here anytime and support us with some great fun that we have going on. We're the VFW down in Murfreesboro, so check us out.